In a survival situation, food storage is vital, but let's not forget the importance of flavor and nutrition. Imagine facing a long-term emergency with bland, repetitive meals. This can lead to food fatigue, reducing your morale and even your will to eat. However, by tapping into your backyard, you can significantly enhance the taste and nutritional value of your stored food. Today, we'll focus on wild onions, commonly known as chives, and how they can be a game changer for your survival strategy. Wild onions are easily recognizable by their slender, hollow green stalks and mild onion aroma. They often grow in clusters, and once you've identified a patch, you've got a renewable resource at your fingertips. These plants are abundant in many regions, thriving in lawns and gardens where chemicals haven't been used. Harvesting wild onions is simple. Just snip the stalks close to the ground, and they'll continue to grow back, providing you with a continuous supply. Once harvested, preserving wild onions is straightforward. You can freeze them by chopping the greens into small pieces, spreading them out on a baking sheet, and placing them in the freezer. After they're frozen, transfer them to an airtight container. This method retains the fresh taste, making it easy to add a burst of flavor to your meals long after the growing season has ended. You can also dry them using a dehydrator or simply by hanging them in a well-ventilated area. Dried wild onions are a convenient addition to your spice rack, ready to sprinkle into soups, stews, or even on top of your survival rations. But why limit yourself to wild onions? Your backyard can be a treasure trove of flavors. Consider planting herbs like rosemary, thyme, mint, and oregano. These herbs are not only easy to grow, but also have the added benefit of being perennials, meaning they'll come back year after year with little maintenance. By including these in your food storage plan, you're not just adding flavor, you're boosting your meals with essential nutrients and even medicinal properties. For example, thyme is well known for its antibacterial qualities, while mint can help soothe digestive issues, a handy remedy in a survival situation. Growing these herbs is straightforward. Most of them prefer sunny spots and well-drained soil. If you're in a colder climate, consider growing them in pots that can be brought indoors during the winter. This way, you can enjoy fresh herbs year-round. Once harvested, herbs can be dried, frozen, or even infused into oils and vinegars to create long-lasting, flavorful additions to your meals. Imagine opening a jar of rice or beans and being able to add a dash of rosemary or a pinch of thyme. You're turning basic survival food into a comforting, satisfying meal. Incorporating these natural flavors into your food storage is more than just a luxury. It's a smart survival strategy. By using what nature provides, you're not only enhancing the taste of your meals, but also ensuring that your diet remains varied and nutritious. This variety can be crucial during extended periods of reliance on stored food, where boredom and lack of appetite can be real threats to your well-being. So, take a walk through your backyard or your local wild areas and start identifying what's available to you. Begin harvesting, preserving, and experimenting with these natural flavors now, so that when the time comes, you're fully prepared. Not only will you have a robust food storage system, but you'll also have the knowledge and skills to keep your meals interesting and your spirits high. Remember, survival isn't just about making it through. It's about thriving in the face of adversity. By adding some flavor to your food storage, you're taking a big step towards that goal.